Can zombies be intelligent? Let's see. This is all things creepy. Let's begin. In my opinion, Day of the Dead is one of George A. Romero's best films, often overshadowed by Dawn of the Dead and Night of the Living Dead. It is generally the gloomiest of the three, and carries a very grim atmosphere throughout, which I think emphasises the zombie apocalypse. We get the feel that there truly is no hope. The general theme, however, is the same. The zombies are the main threat, however they only serve to unlock the true threat, which is human nature. People just end up betraying themselves when the going gets tough. The movie takes place deep in the outbreak, on a military base where scientists have been isolated in an attempt to find a cure or a solution to this problem. This is emphasised by scenes showing the rest of the world clearly overrun by zombies and pretty much wiped out of human life. There is naturally a lot of unrest between the soldiers and the scientists. Obviously, it is the duty of the soldiers to protect the scientists. However, under such hopeless circumstances, the tables can quickly turn.
I'm not down in this cave for my health. I'm down here on orders.
Your orders are to facilitate the job of this scientific team. This is a civilian team, Captain, and we don't have to be subjected to your tyranny.
Who's being subjected to what, Fisher? You've lost one man. Yeah, right. We've lost 5.
Bub is almost one of the bright spots of the movie. He adds a touch of dark comedy and almost ironically a human element to the film.
That's right, Bub. Say hello.
Dr. Logan, instead of dissecting him, he attempts to teach him things that he knew once in life. He is initially domesticated almost like a dog, and it is eventually found out that he can interact with man-made items such as a telephone. He even attempts to speak at one point, which is not received with as much enthusiasm by the soldiers.
Return a salute and see what he does.
You want me to salute that pile of walking pus? Salute my ass.
He even wields an unloaded weapon and shows that he remembers how to use it, implying that he is military personnel, or he was at least until he died. Eventually, Dr. Logan tries to take things further. Treating Bub like an advanced animal or pet, he rewards his good behaviour. However, this involves him feeding the fresh remains of 2 of the soldiers that recently passed away to Bub. Captain Rhodes, who had recently taken the commanding position, is a very ruthless person. It's very clear that he wants nothing to do with the zombies, he just wants to get out and abandon the whole mission. And when he finds Dr. Logan feeding the dead remains to Bub, it's kind of the last straw.
Good night, Bub.
What are you giving him in there, Frankenstein? What is it, huh? What are you giving him?
No, you must listen to me, Captain. You must listen.
Listen to this.
When Bub eventually manages to free himself of his chains, he finds Dr. Logan's dead body, and for a second thinks that he's alive. Upon finding out that he isn't alive, it's almost like a dog and the owner. He's very sad about this, and he has enough intelligence to safely assume who it was. Eventually, as things start to break down and chaos starts to ensue within the compound, Captain Rhodes, fleeing some escaped zombies from the tunnels below, comes face to face with Bub again. However, of course, he underestimates him, is unable to load his gun in time, and Bub actually shoots him, having remembered how to use the weapon. Bub chases him down, repeatedly shooting him, until Captain Rhodes opens the wrong door and is ironically eaten by the zombies he looks down on so much.
You fuck! You fuck! You fuck!
The last we see of Bub is him saluting Captain Rhodes as he is slowly and painfully devoured. Have you seen this film? If not, I suggest you watch it immediately. It is a classic and very underrated in my opinion. If you'd like me to cover more of these iconic zombies, let me know, leave a like. There's even another iconic zombie in this movie which I'll cover if you want, named Dr. Tongue. Thank you all for watching. Like the video if you did, share it with a friend, and of course if you haven't already, subscribe for more creepy content.